In today's video, we're going to be reviewing the replacement instructions for the maintenance kit for the HP 9040-9050, both the printer and multifunction devices. We're going to use a 9040N for our demo machine. And for this, we will need virtually no tools. Everything is pretty much plug and reconnect. And I will leave the maintenance kit contents in the instructions of the blog post below, which will have all the part numbers and number of pieces that come in the maintenance kit. So we will start this procedure by making sure the printer is unplugged and off for at least 15 minutes. Pull down the front access door. Release the lock lever, green lock lever. Pull out the transfer roller assembly. We're going to remove the transfer roller from the assembly. It just pulls right out of these two guides on here. Reverse the procedure to reinstall. We're just going to be reusing our parts here just for the demo video. Secure the assembly and reinsert it. Close the lock lever, close the door. We're going to move tray 2 and 3 to expose the pickup rollers. The rollers we're going to be replacing are right up there in the middle. You have 3 rollers on the top and then 3 more on the bottom. Now they release by just pinching that blue tension release lever, and that should release the tension on the axle. And reverse the procedure to reinstall. Now, installing any pickup rollers, it's best to insert it in there, wait, and listen for a slight click, or you'll feel a click, and then just draw back on the roller to make sure that it's secure. That being done, we're going to install the paper trays. A couple of repair notes on this is the OEM recommends the page yield on this is around 350,000 pages, and there is a reset procedure for the page count. After you perform the maintenance kit replacement, you want to follow the instructions that are located in this video. The notes section of this video and blog post will take you through step by step to how to reset the page count. Moving on to the fuser, we're going to pull down on the left side of the printer, the fuser access door. We're going to pull halfway out the duplexing assembly, just enough to expose the fuser. We're going to pull those two, or turn those 2 blue lock levers inwards towards the center. Pull the fuser straight out, and to reverse the procedure to reinstall. Now if this is a new replacement, you want to make sure that these lock levers here, both on the left and the right side, are in the down position. When we ship fusers, we have them in the upward position to protect the rollers from becoming flat spotted. So make sure they are repositioned downward after you install it. We're going to reinsert the duplexing assembly. Close the access door, and the process is complete. As I said, there will be a reset procedure. Just follow the instructions in the notes section below. And if you find these videos useful, please make sure you like and subscribe to our channel and visit us online at metrofuser.com.